Students, say some nouns. Yes, boy, bird, city, ball. Yes, very good. Teacher, doctor, pencil. It's very good. Apple, pond, cup. Yes, very good, students. Okay, now say the some verbs. That is the action words. Yes, sit, stand, look, walk, read, talk, listen. Yes, very good. Think. Okay, you all are thorough in the verbs and nouns, isn't it? Yes, very good, students. And first of all, I'll give some words. You have to say in this words correct sense. Can go. Is this correct sense? No, there is no meaning, isn't it? And is this words the correct sentence? No. And you have to change these words in the some order. The car can go. Isn't it? This is the correct sentence. The car can go. So today we are going to study about sentence. Okay. In the sentence, how we form the sentence? Yes. First always with the noun. First word is always noun. And the second word is always noun. Verb. Okay. First word always noun. And the second word is go. That is verb. Okay. Okay. Next, see here these words. Play the game. Is this correct? No. And here, children. So, you have to change these words in the correct order. That is, children, play the game. Because first word is noun. First word is always noun. And the second word is verb. Okay. And you have to remind or in the sentence always start with the first word is noun. And the second word is verb. And after that the noun comes the second word is verb. Okay. And again I'll say you have to remind the first in the sentence. Okay. In the forming sentence always first word is noun. And the second word is verb. So children play the game. Okay. And the next one. The cat. Cat milk. Okay. Is this sentence correct? No. And the first word is correct. Noun. And the second word also again noun. And in the formula always second word is verb. By here is there any verb? No. So here one verb is missing, isn't it? So, and you have to write the cat drinks milk. Okay, this is correct sentence. Because the cat is noun, the drinks is verb. Okay, and after that verb. So the cat drinks milk. This is the correct sentence. Students, all of you take out your Madhuban grammar book and turn the page number 1. And turn the page number 1. And the first one is tick the line which is the correct sentence. Cross out the one that is not. One has been done for you. Rohan and Rita, is this correct sentence? No. Already they given the answer wrong. Eating cake. Eating cake is the correct answer. No. Should put the wrong. And Rohan and Rita are eating cake. And Rohan and Rita, noun or eating is verb. So this is the correct sentence. So you have to put the tick. A duck. Is this correct sentence? Wrong. Swimming. There's only one word. That is not a sentence. A duck is swimming in the pond. This is the correct sentence because a dog is noun, is swimming is verb. In the pond, in is preposition and the pond is verb, noun. So this is the correct sentence. You have to put the take. And the next one also again the same method as strawberry. This is the wrong one. Already they given the answer. My cake. This is a not sentence. So you have to put the cross out. There is a strawberry on my cake. Here the verb, noun, verb. Again noun and preposition and noun. So this is the correct sentence. A fly. This is not a sentence. So you should put the wrong. And turn the next page. My soup. This is the wrong sentence. There is a fly in my soup. This is the correct sentence. You have to put the take. Rahul riding. Rahul riding is only 2 words. So this is not a sentence. So only noun and verb. And here not at all. Find the ending with the correct preposition and also any other verb, any other noun. So this is not a sentence. A red bicycle. This is only noun. So this is wrong. This is not a sentence. Rahul is riding a red bicycle. This is noun, verb and again adjective and also noun. So this is the correct sentence. Rahul is riding a bicycle. This is the correct sentence. Okay. And you have to finish it the third one. And which are the sentences are correct sentence. You have to tick and wrong. And this you should write in your own. Okay students, you should write in your own. And also, and the fourth exercise also you have to write in your own. Okay. And students listen. And here some words are there. You have to arrange in the correct sentence. Okay. And always in the sentence first word is noun. Here where is the noun? Yes, football is also noun and I is the noun. It is the correct first word. Okay. And next is verb. And this is play. The single word is play. To play means gerund. So this is not the correct verb. So this is I like. And next, I like to play football. Last verb. So noun. I like to play football. I like to play football. This is the correct sentence. First is noun and verb. At last, noun. Okay. Again, you have to see these words. You have to arrange in the correct sentence. Okay. First, you have to choose the where is the noun. Where is the noun? We. We is the noun. So, you should arrange in the first. We. And second, verb. Where is the verb? Here, shopping is the verb. No. Go is the verb. Yes. So, go. And the next one, we go for shopping today. At last, adjective. Okay. Preposition and adjective. So, first, noun, verb, preposition and again noun and adjective. So, first one, always noun and verb. Noun and verb. Noun and verb. We go for shopping today. Okay. And see here another many words are there. You have to choose. You should arrange in the correct sentence. First of all, choose the where is the noun. Here, bone is also noun. Dog is also noun. So, always dog is the first noun. So, before the dog, you should write the article. So, the dog. The dog. And next, verb is eating a bone. The dog is eating a bone. Isn't it? Okay. And this is first noun and verb. First noun and verb. First noun and verb. Here, one more correction is there. The sentence starting letter is always capital letter. The sentence always, when you write the sentence, you should starting letter is capital letter. That is, I like to play football. At last you should put the full stop. And first letter capital letter, at last you should put the full stop. And the second sentence, in the second sentence, we go for shopping today. So, W is the capital letter, at last put the full stop. And the third sentence, the first letter is capital letter, and the dog is eating a bone. At last you have to put the full stop. Okay. And don't forget, when you starting in the sentence, when your starting letter is capital letter, at last you have to put the full stop. When the starting letter is capital letter, at last you have to put the full stop. Okay. And I hope you all are understood thoroughly the sentence. Have you find out which sentence is correct, isn't it? Yes, thank you. Students, all of you take out again Madhuban grammar book and see the page number 4 and see the fifth exercise. Apple red is there. Here the words are and jumbled. So you have to arrange in the correct sentence. The apple is red. Skipping Mehar is. Already they given the noun. The first letter is noun. First word is noun. So second word is verb. So Mehar is skipping. And the third one, that tree under Sohail sitting is. So Sohail and is the first noun. So already they given. Sohail is sitting under the tree. At last you have to put the full stop. Don't forget. In the second sentence also you have to put the full stop. Dog big is Jimmy a. Here Jimmy, already they given the noun and the first letter is capital letter, and Jimmy is a big dog. Full stop. Put the full stop. The shining sun is. So here the already they given the noun is sun and the next verb is shining. So the capital letter is T, the. So and at last you have to put the full stop. So long giraffe has the neck a. So the giraffe has a long neck. Put the full stop. Father, my strong is man a. Already they given the my. So my, here where is the noun? Father. Okay. My father, and the verb next is verb. Here is a verb, is a strong man. Last you should put the full stop. And the next one, brown leaves goat eating the. So here already they given the starting article is there. Here you should find out where is the noun, goat. So goat, here next is verb, is eating brown leaves, and put the full stop. And I farm had a old MacDonald. So here already they given the old MacDonald had a farm. Had is the verb. So at last you should put the full stop. And last one, happy very am I. So I is a noun, am is a verb, very adjective, happy and noun. Okay, so happy also adjective. So I am very happy. Okay. And the next one, and you should find out which are the you should put the where are you write the capital letters and also full stop. Okay, and use the blue color pencil, and always immediately you should write the first letter, always capital letter. Find out the first letter. When you starting the sentence, the first letter is the capital letter. The first letter is the capital letter. Again the first letter is the capital letter. At last you have to put the full stop. Full stop. At last you have to here, here is the full stop. Here full stop. Here full stop and also full stop here. Okay. And you should do in the 7th exercise. Here many one paragraph is there. You have to find out where you put the capital letter and also full stop. You should find out and write the answer. Okay, in the 7th exercise you have to do in your own. And this is your assignment also. Okay, you should write in the column, in the many lines are there. You have to write the in the correct sentences in the correct letters. Okay, thank you.